Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the updated steps to enable the in-app browser on the X Mobile app. This feature lets you open links directly within the app, keeping your browsing seamless and avoiding the need to switch to an external browser. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're inside, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This will open up your account menu. Next, from the menu options, select Settings and Privacy. This section houses all the customization options for your app experience. After that, tap on Accessibility, Display, and Language. This is where you can adjust how the app looks and behaves. Now tap on Display to see display-related settings. Finally, look for the option labeled Use in-app browser. Toggle this setting on to enable opening links inside the X app itself. And that's it. With this small change, whenever you tap on a link, it will open right within the app, offering a smoother and faster browsing experience without bouncing you to an external web browser. If at any point you want to switch back to opening links externally, simply follow these steps again and toggle off the in-app browser setting. Enabling the in-app browser can really streamline your user experience on X, making it easier to stay engaged without interruptions. Thanks for watching.